Welcome, chemist people and non-chemist people all over the world. Good afternoon or morning if you're on the other side of there, the North Hemisphere. No, technically on the other continent because I'm here in the Philippines. Welcome to the Philippines! So, here are some news. Did you know that there's a new state of matter? Yes, people, there's a new state of matter. It's like, no, it's not like a light, but it's a new state of matter and it's called time crystal. It's not equilibrium. It's not equilibrium, oh my gosh! So, there's a new state here. So, what is non-equilibrium? Non-equilibrium is a state. So, it's like this. If this phone transfer here, then there's a void here. It says that something should fill it. But this new state of matter is called time crystal. Crystal is non-equilibrium. So nothing can fill or fills it. So it's void, it's like it's void forever. We'll have forever. But
there are mysteries in the universe we were never meant to solve. But who we are and why we're here are not among them. And here are some facts about chemistry.
Did you know? If you slowly pour a handful of salt into a complete full glass of water, it will not overflow. In fact, the water will just go down. Because salt absorbs water, and salt has a property called hygroscopic, means it absorbs both liquid water and water vapor.
Did you know that vinegar is a good rust remover? Yes, this might sound hard to believe, but it's true. Some YouTube videos that I have seen say that it's true because they left it for days, weeks, or months, and the rust did get out from that metal tool or thingy. But anyway, that's a good rust remover.
Oh, hi there! I have something interesting to tell to you. Did you know that lightning helps repair our ozone layer? Yes, with both having O3 in their composition, the lightning helps repair the ozone layer. So when lightning strikes, it creates and produces O3, which then helps our ozone layer in repairing itself.
Now a word from our sponsors.
Grabe, init ka, wow. Grabe ka, init-init. Walang katubig-tubig. Ano ba yan? Pagbayad pa ako dito.
Wow ka na ba?
Kita ka.
Ito para sa'yo. Tumpok na to ay punong-puno ng
Carbonated water, high fructose, corn syrup and sugar, caramel color, phosphoric acid, natural flavors, and caffeine.
kaya ito masarap. Kaya bili na.
Now back from the program.
Okay there. Did you know that humans have been using chemistry since ancient Egypt? By 1000 BCE, before Common Era, human civilizations have been using advanced forms of chemistry like combustion and fermenting alcohols, and lastly, refining plant extracts as medicine.
Hey there, ever heard of Mole Day? Mole Day happens every year during October 23. It is celebrated by chemistry students and chemists in honor of Avogadro's number, the number of carbon atoms, which is 12, and the element carbon.
breaking news. So I just tabbed, but here's some breaking news. Chemists found a new developed coating for roofs. It's called titanium. Oh, wait, I'll read you, okay? Titanium dioxide coating. So it breaks down nitrogen oxide and reduces air pollution. Yay! No to air pollution. So it's like a tree, but it's not because it does not produce oxygen, but it produces air pollution. So it's good for Mama Earth and the smokers and the weeders. Weeders, there's such a word. But if you want to avail one, just go to the internet and Google it. Okay, thanks.
Guys, greetings. I don't know where you are or what time you're watching it, but all I know is we're making this thing here. So, anyway, we're here to talk about rust. And what is rust really? It's this annoying orange or brown, orange and brown, or orange or brown spots, lumpy spots, disgusting spots. And this is a product of oxidation, and it's like those you're like leaving an apple in open air, just like it'll turn to brown. Yeah. And how does it occur? How does it occur? Whatever he said,
Fe2O3.
Fe2O3, right?
Yes.
Mm. So that, yeah.
Yeah.
So anything. Anyway, it's examples of oxidation. The big one, Titanic. It's full of rust, right?
Yeah, it's full of rust.
Oh, yeah. So anyway, these are rust. They can damage metals, right? They can.
Change the composition of metals.
Yeah, it makes them weak. Yeah.
Oh, hi there. Have you ever tried cutting an apple into half, and after a period of time, you notice the browning of its sides? Scientists say that it's caused by oxidation. Luckily, we have a scientist here who could explain this oxidation for us. His name is Jihad, Quilapio.
Hi, I'm Jihad, and we're here to talk about how oxidation works. And now, let's talk about how lands use the apple as an example. Let's say you cut the apple into half. The white part of the apple turns brown a minute or two. The explanation for that is when you cut the apple, the plant and the fruit cells in the apple are exposed to the oxygen in our air, and those two react chemically, and because of that, the apple's white part turns into brown, which causes it to turn brown, of course. And because of that, that's how oxidation works. The plant and the fruit cell reacts to the oxygen in our air, which in turn is the process of oxidation.
Welcome to Chemistry Shit! In this episode, we're about to witness the water and salt shit! Now let's do the experiment. A salt and a full glass of water. Now, let us slowly pour the salt into the full glass of water. Let's see what will happen. As you can see, the water did not spill because the salt absorbed some water.
There are slowly rising small bubbles, which means it's being absorbed, which is good. That means the experiment is true.